What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are super excited about today. Well, I'm super excited. People are still starting to get up this morning. I mean, it's like 7. It's totally daylight. I haven't put my face on yet, though. Anyway, rented a car. Gonna go see Georgia. So excited about some of the sights. Gonna bring you all along with us. Gonna be a great day. Let's do this.
This is the car?
No, that comes with a personal driver. That's not our car. No, that's not our car. That's our car. You like this car?
Get out on the inside, Ted. Just you wait.
Yeah. When I walk up to it, it unlocks. So that's legit.
Did you get?
I got it. And the wheels. Looks like you took it through a Starbucks line. Let's get this trunk opened up. All right. Let's get all of our extras put in here.
Great.
Get the dudes belted in. All right.
My leg fits.
Yeah, that's why we got this car. This is the reason why we did not get the little $50 car, is because I'm big, but she can't bend her leg.
But I'm bigger.
So it's one of those things that we just have to do what we have to do because of our circumstances. So as long as she has her leg like that, I get to remain big. Anyway, we're gonna get this baby fired up. We're gonna get buckled in. We're gonna get comfy and all that, and we're gonna get down the road. Okay, you've heard of the Chronicles of Narnia. We're here at the Chronicles of Georgia. Check it out. Another dog. The dogs of Georgia are very similar to like the pigs of whatever beach that island is. They're everywhere. It's a cool scroll on the ground. Well, there is a translation in English. I was about to say it's going to look like spaghetti on a plate here, but Chronicles of Georgia Sculpture and Architecture Complex, dedicated to the 3000th anniversary of Georgian statehood and the 2000th anniversary of Christianity dissemination. I missed out on gym day, but this is family day, but we ended up at the gym after all. The old stair climbers. Woo! My beautiful bride made it up without taking a break. Let's see if I can do the same. Wow. Beautiful. Here we go. Wow. Another one of the local furry friends. I gotta be honest with you, we came to this place not knowing anything about it, and now after having been here, there's a lot of gravity to this place. To be quite honest, I'm gonna have to do some more research on, because holy cow, there's something about it. Not gonna make it into something it's not, but it's just, I didn't know much about it, and we're gonna look into it more just for better understanding. That's the whole point of doing this is to be more rounded and have a better understanding on different cultures and really what they're all about. There's more in store for today. The next stop is something that my wife stumbled upon. Let's go check that out. So we just got to the Cappadocia of Georgia, and what do you know? A doggy. Always. Pretty interesting setup in that the ticket pricing. So it was 5 gel to park, and it's 15 per person entrant. Because of Carrie's disability, her amputation, she made it free of charge. Free for her because she's special needs. Free for her accompanying member, me. Free for the Ted, who is currently licking the ice cream statue. And I guess because the 3 of us were free, they went ahead and gave it to Jace for free. But anyway, let's head on up to the Cappadocia of Georgia. Just kind of give you an idea of what we're in for. All right, we came all the way, and here they are. Here's the caves. There's literally a little lizard under that cave.
Really?
Yeah, right there ahead. He just bailed off.
Oh.
Just kidding. There's plenty of caves this way. Today is one of those days. Definitely didn't need the gym. Oh, my partner in crime. Come on, Bonnie. Be super careful. Be careful. Look like you're doing a pirouette. Go for it, Teddy.
So pull up this side.
You're doing it. There you go.
Chase.
Good job.
Good job. Be careful.
The amount of work this would have taken. I'm not sure if you're aware, Georgia is actually the country that invented wine. And so in the region, there's tons of vineyards, especially back towards Tbilisi where we're staying, but something we stumbled upon, as anything, they'd have their own wine cellar. See here where they made their wine.
You can't have that ice cream.
You can't have that ice cream, Ted.
Here, ice cream.
Yeah, it's got wine in it. Anyway, this is a wrap on this one. we're going to load everybody up and head to the next adventure.
Find them first.
Yeah, we gotta find them all first. Just a cool little spot. Some horse and wagon action. Old wine vats. Super neat.
We found food.
Yay, food!
Cheese pizza.
They have what, Ted?
Cheese pizza.
Oh boy. All right.
French fries.
Full send on the pizza and fries.
Yeah, they have concoli, ketchup-curry, all of it.
They got it all?
Oh yeah, they have everything we ordered at the smoke restaurant. Ice cream.
Quesadilla.